today's session, the title itself is very interesting. Like, it is going to be a participative demonstration. This title was given by a great personality, okay, Mr. A.H. Devadas. He is my godfather. So he is no more with us, but still, I can tell a lot about him. The reason today I'm conducting this special session, demonstration, on the eve of Michael Faraday, father of electricity, 229th birthday celebrations. And also, especially, I'm mentioning about my godfather, Sri A.H. Devadas. The reason behind is I can strongly say that Dr. A.H. Devadas is an Indian Michael Faraday. The kind of work Michael Faraday has done for the field of electricity, in similar, Dr. H. Devadas also has done much more, much more. Okay, so he used to work as a senior manager R&D, research and development at BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited. So that means today whatever power we are enjoying in the order of megawatts of alternators at various power stations, thermal power stations, hydro power stations, wherever you have power, I mean, thermal power stations or hydro power stations, everywhere you have to have a dynamo, which was greatly developed by Michael Faraday. And I'm going to demonstrate how the dynamo and all function, and what exactly is electricity and what exactly is magnetism, and how they both together became electromagnetism a special subject. So next 2 minutes, what I wanted to share with all of you, in between, my dear friends, I might open up a PPT for innovation in the power sector, like using solar and all. So why with coal and all? So how do we turn into solar photovoltaic module and all? Okay. And also, I'm going to demonstrate very basic electrical fundamental things, and also to little more advanced versions also. A kind of special demonstration stuff developed by my godfather based on the Michael Faraday's work. This is what is going to happen. And also, sometimes I might forget after maybe 1.5 hours. If someone can put in a chat box and all, sir, you asked us to remind about connecting resources. That is another important point, because we have, this is a technology driven future. So in this particular 21st century, after 20 years later, while we are using so much of technology, we need to understand what exactly is technology and who prepares the technology, how science and engineering technology go together. I mean, what is the interlink between, and how do we understand the importance of technology? So to make you a little bit comfortable in understanding all such kind of scenarios, I want to make use of technology here in this session. So you can ask me after 1.5 hours before closing the session without forgetting. Sir, you said something about you use the technology for this session. What is the technology? Then I can probably, by the after 1.5 hours of this session, then definitely you will have an idea. Oh, this is how people use the technology for this purpose. Okay, then we can also have that kind of technology for various other purposes as well. You understand, my dear friend? Anyway, so now I'm going to take you, as I told you, the area where we are going to work for next 1.5 hour, I mean 90 to 120 minutes also, because we got delayed in the between for 15 minutes. So I don't know whether we'll be able to make out that particular time or not, but let me see how I can manage that as well. Okay. So I'll be asking a few questions, my dear friends. Those questions, hopefully better you can write it down to your books, because questioning minds are more important for the universe. Question has no definition. So question can be anything. So from my side, I'll try to ask you some funny, tiny questions related to today's topic, all about electricity, magnetism, and electromagnetism. So definitely those questions are going to help you, because though my questions look like very simple, yeah, no problem. So questions are important. Though my questions might look very small, very simple, very tiny, but they are sufficient enough. You make you understand the work what you need to do and how do you need to synchronize your school education to the outside world expectation. All these things can be well connected to the small tiny questions. So suppose say if I ask you the smallest tiny questions, because once what happened, one great scientist Albert Einstein, what he said is, if you can't explain it simple, which means you don't understand well enough. Okay, you all understand? Once again, I'm going to repeat it, okay? I think Sriya got it very clearly. Okay, so what Albert Einstein said is, if you can't explain it simple, which means you don't understand well enough. That means whatever you know, that must be explained so simple. So that's why the first simple, most question today I'm going to post in front of you is, what is science? Write it down, because I want you guys to give me the best answers. Though my question looks very simple, but it has got so much deeper knowledge, deeper information, deeper subject idea. So write down, what is science? You can, every day before you go to sleep, you requested to at least ask yourself this question at least 5 times. Every time you ask yourself, then you get lot wonderful questions, okay? So you can make use of that. But so what is engineering? Why is that I'm asking what is engineering? This particular today's session, many students are from industry side schools, okay? So your parents are well connected with a lot of industry work, or they're doing great work. So many of them from engineering backgrounds as well. So today you need to find out, what is engineering? What is engineering? If you don't get answer for this, then you can ask your this way, other way around. What an engineer supposed to do? You can ask this question also. What engineer supposed to do? Okay. Now comes to technology. This is also a very simple question. What is technology? Who makes this technology? And then why do we need to develop technology? All these kind of very important questions, small questions. But these small questions, if you all can understand, try to understand at school level, my God, you can reach even Mars without any difficulty. So earlier we used to say sky is not a limit for you, but now today no sky. We are talking about many other solar families also. So Mars is now no more far away. People are reaching. Okay. So Elon Musk, how inspirational person in technology, every time, every day, a lot of things are happening. Okay. But however, in India, see, Sir C.V. Raman from Bangalore. In fact, he is the only one Nobel Prize winner for India from sciences. See, and somewhat has to be done very greatly, because he's almost 90 years now. And later, after 10 years, out of 150, course of people in India, so without next Sir C.V. Raman doesn't look nice according to me. So from this particular session, I believe definitely many more will be on the way to be next Sir C.V. Ramans, next Dr. Kalams, and many more eminent international scientists. And it is for sure, my dear friends, innovation is the only feature. Write it down. Innovation is the only feature. So we need to understand what is invention, what is innovation. So innovation come from invention, or invention come from innovation? This is another question I'm going to ask you. Okay, very important. Yeah. Okay. Now, my dear friends, I'm going to mute all of you, because from now on then I cannot take any of noise background. Of course, not much really, but 1 or 2 students will keep speaking. Even that is going to disturb a little bit me. So let me continue on my own. These are the kind of questions, various questions I'm going to ask you in between. And my specialty is, my main wish is to raise your scientific temper, underlined scientific temper. My main wish is to raise your scientific temper and put you onto a proper, the best possible scientific method. So you need to know what is scientific temper, and then how do we raise that, and then how do we go on to a scientific method. That is very important, because the wealth creation, okay? Problems. Having problem is not a problem, my dear friends. Having no problem is the biggest problem. If at all you have a problem, you will raise your personality to solve that problem. So if you keep saying that problem, then what happens is that we will never get a chance to solve the problem, that means your personality is not going to be raised. That's where I wanted to put you all
Thank you,
into
Shankar.
a method
Very
where
useful.
so you can enjoy solving problem method. Okay, that is very important. Like in science fairs and all, not regular science projects, you all have to work with problem solving model based science activities. So that is going to greatly help you. Okay, so there are so many international competitions and that are like Intel Science and Engineering Fair, Google Global Science Fair. Our India also Inspire Manak programs, National Children Science Congress. There are many Vignan, Vidyarthi Vignan Manthan, so many interesting, excellent competitions within school days, school children for raising your scientific knowledge. So much great. And also in India, we have near about 44 national science labs, national level labs, CSIR national labs. Okay. So like one NPL, National Physical Laboratory at New Delhi, and NCL at Pune, National Chemical, and like National Institute of Nutrition at Hyderabad, like Secunderabad. Likewise, ISCT, Indian Institute of Chemical Technology in Hyderabad, Tarnaka. Likewise, there are so many national laboratories where you all can reach and see how great scientists working there, and what exactly a scientist does and how he is going to save us, what all the scientists have done previously. Today, how we are all enjoying the great sacrifice of all those eminent scientists all across the globe. All these things we have to remember today, because Michael Faraday, the greatest scientist, actually uh, he could not even complete his school because of lack of money at the time. But he used to work in a bookbinding shop after his sixth class over. Then suddenly, Humphrey Davis, a world-class scientist, he wrote a book and he sent that book for binding. And Michael Faraday had a good habit of reading good books. Like that book also he started reading. So he just delayed for returning back that book with binding and all. Later, he asked Rampy Day, why is that this book got delayed? Then he said, I keep on reading this. Oh man, I'm a Royal
Perfect.
Society member and wrote a book for that. But how can you understand about all that? Then he said, I really enjoyed the book. So that's where I got delayed. Then also Michael Faraday requested Humpy Davis saying that I wanted to work with you. Then Humpy Davis said, as of now, right now, my assistant is there with me. That's where when the moment my assistant stop working with me, immediately I'll call you so that you can come and join. So later, after a few time, the same thing happened. Then that's it. From that day onwards, um, so Michael Faraday observing a lot of things with the world-class scientist Humpy Davy, and Humpy Davy got married, and then all these people, like Humpy Davy family and Michael Faraday, all together, they started visiting a lot of countries in Europe. So Humpy Davy keep meeting a lot of his friends. So talking together with them and exchanging views and all. At that time, Michael Faraday keep observing everything what they are discussing. So finally, understood a lot of subject. Then after returning back to the laboratory at Humpy Faraday's laboratory, then finally, Humpy David keep doing trying something in between. He's just thinking, and his hands are doing something like it's called fiddling. So he's doing some hand fiddling in between. Suddenly, Michael Faraday found something went wrong. So he observed something. So based on that, his observation, immediately he didn't left that observation. He wrote onto a book, and then after that he started putting a question onto that, and that question and that observation, that means children need to observe a lot of things and add a question tag to their observation with a question, and that later if they can start working on that, that's it, nothing like it, that's going to wonderful. Who knows where it is going to be, like Michael Faraday's that particular observation, and after that it led to such a big way. Now today is another important question I'm going to ask you, all of my dear friends. Write it down on your paper. This is the wonderful question, because Michael Faraday is the father of electricity, and the question, interesting question, what I'm going to ask you right now. What if the human life, if the electricity was not invented? What if the human life, if the electricity was not invented? So another question, how electricity was invented? So the process, you know, which scientist found, in what way they found, what is that static energy, and what is that chemical DC energy, and how scientists keep developing, what is Michael Faraday's invention there in between. So who invented the electrical energy in the form of alternating current, why they did it in that way. So what is that dynamo it does, like alternator, the both are producing electrical power, but why that is called dynamo, why something else is called alternator. All these things you can have questions in your mind, write it down, and later we'll solve them. Okay, very wonderful questions. So if you have that kind of questions in between, in front of you, then probably you'll try to read the wonderful books, not so easily available this kind of answers on internet. Okay, but of course you can try from internet as well. Okay, there are lot many things we can work parallelly, so that we can find the best things available. Now, what else I wanted to talk about? These are the particular things. Now, I think I'd like to play one video clip right now, so that after 2-3 minutes of that video clip, we'll have little inspiration of Michael Faraday, because suddenly I just now found this is end of the session. If you wanted to give some Guru Dakshina, what is that Guru Dakshina I'm expecting all from your my dear friends, that you need to answer better, and also you can find good video clips on YouTube and all, and you can share with me. Sir, my best selected one is this. Then with your selection, I'll understand how your brain direction working on. So if at all some few clips which I really like, then definitely I'll get back to you and understand the way you are thinking, and I'll try to share much beyond. Okay, so that's where keep focused. End of the session or after the session, tomorrow, whenever you get some time, maybe in another 3 or 4 days also, or even within the 1 week also. But definitely, I want you guys to share some good stuff, because internet is the information highway. It's like a big ocean. Definitely, me alone cannot do lot much for all the students. But if I involve students and prepare their mind into the expected way, definitely altogether we can do lot much beyond. Okay, so this is what is my Guru Dakshina expected from all of you. So right now, uh, as in between at 5 o'clock, as I'm waiting for a few students to come in, then I went to YouTube. I saw near about 20-25 video clips, and then one clip I just felt, okay, this is okay. Though I'm not well prepared for this session for playing some good video clips and all, because I have a lot of stuff to demonstrate. But anyway, there's 5 minutes time in front of me. In that 5 minutes, I just touched and then found one among 20-25. That is what is I'm going to share. You can understand what is that, how is that, and later such kind many good, all of you can suggest to me. That is what is going to working together is winning together. Shall I play? If you all say like this, then I'll play the video. So can you all say, shall I play? Okay, you all hear me. Very nice, guys. Okay, I'm going to play that. Okay, let me screen share. Please do not write anything on my, once I share the screen, I request all my students not to write anything on the screen, because that is disturbing everybody. Don't do that, and not at all. Don't fun at all, because lot of thousands of items are to be demonstrated. So try to make use of every single minute of my speech and the demonstration.